So the best way to copy a program is to just create a new one. So from this program edit menu, you would pick program edit and then just import a new number. So I'm going 4444 and I'm going to press enter, import, and that will give me that program 444, a blank program. Don't forget, when we want characters on here, you have to press and hold the shift key. Sorry, the controls moving, let's just tighten them up. So we press and hold the shift key and then press the character. That gives us the bracket. So if I just put in here shift E S T up there, shift bracket, and then when I come out of here, I've got to press my completion mode, cancel with saving. That's program 4444. So if I wanted to, for example, copy something, for example, program 1001, so I'm going to go 1001, enter, and if I copy, and I copy from there, I'll just page some more, I'll copy all that, and then I'm going to say completion, complete without saving, and then I'm going into my 4444, enter, and then what I'm going to do there, I'm going to come along to the end of that, enter that, and then down here I'm just going to press paste, and that's put all that in there. So now I can play around with that program.